Hello traders, welcome to my YouTube channel Agile Trading. Now let me show you today's date and time. So today is 1st of October 2020 and currently time is 9:15 a.m. and also traders, today is Thursday. Okay traders, so we will also practicing option selling, but before let us come on to our watch lists. So we are having JSW Steel, Reliance and Tata Steel in our today's watch list. Okay traders, so I will be watching chart of each of these stock, and when I will get opportunity I will update you. And also traders, we will do practice of option selling, so we will wait for 9:35 a.m. to see what is the trend for today bank nifty. Okay traders, so when I will enter into the trade of option selling, then also I will update you. Okay, so now I am pausing the video. So traders, now it's 9:47 a.m. Okay, so coming on to our watch list. So traders, as you can see from here, the nifty has been opened gap up, and it is also going upside, and the stocks which were in our watch list were for only sell side, so we have not get any opportunity yet. Okay traders, let me show you all the stocks for which we were waiting to trade. It's taking some time. Okay traders, so here it is, our first stock, which was JSW Steel, Reliance and Tata Steel. All the three were for selling side. Okay, and just as nifty has been opened gap up, we have not get any opportunity. So you can see here, yesterday I made the support and resistance, but it has not given the breakdown of the resistance, so we are not able to trade in JSW Steel because it was pre-decided. We are not needed to make some changes as it will be against our trading rules. Okay traders, and now coming on to Reliance, it is loading. Okay, so traders, same situation is with Reliance and Tata Steel. So let us come on to for our options trading, as we are not getting any trade in equity. You can see here in Reliance also there is same situation. Okay traders, so let us come on to for the option sellings. So traders, as you can see here, I have made support and resistance. Okay, and according to me the price cannot give breakout or breakdown of these two support and resistance. Okay, so what we will do, that we will sell call and put of this strike price. Okay traders, so now let us come here, and traders, let me tell you that this will be a paper trade only. We are not risking real money, we are just practicing for the option selling. Okay traders, there is some glitch, let me pause the video. Okay, no need to pause it. Okay, so as you can see here, we will sell 22,500 call and 20,700 put. Okay, so let us come on to our Excel sheet, as we are doing paper trade. So 22,500 call, 22,500 call and 20,700 put. Okay, so we will sell 25 quantities, cause when we will be trading with real money, we were not having a lot of money, so we can only trade 25, only one lot. Okay, and now let us place our order on our paper trade for our paper trading. So as you can see here, currently it is trading with 1.70 points, 22,500 call. So we will place our order with 1.70 limit order. Okay traders, so 1.70 selling price, we are placing our order with our target of 0.55 paisa, and our stop loss will be 22. So let's initiate our order by pressing enter. Okay, so it's now we have placed our order, and now let us wait for our execution. Since it is 1.65, we will wait. Okay, 1.78 shown. Okay traders, so our first trade has been executed with 1.70 points. Okay, now coming on to 20,700 port, it is currently trading with 1.25 points. So we will place our order with 1.25 limit order with target of 0.55, and our stop loss will be same. Okay traders, so we will let us place our order for 1.25 limit, and we have placed the order. So let us wait for its execution, cause currently now it's trading with 1.20 and our limit is 1.25. Okay traders, so it is taking some time for execution. As you can see, we have placed with 1.25, so we are waiting. It is still 1.20. Okay, so what do you think traders, should I place it with 1.20? Let's wait 1 minute more. If it doesn't get executed, then we will place it with 1.20. Okay traders, so it is taking some more time. Okay, so it has been executed. As you can see here, 1.25 LTP it is showing. Okay traders, and our stop loss is 22, and now let's write the time, 9:53 a.m. Okay, so our entry were before 9:53 a.m. with 1.7 points and 1.25, and our target stop loss is also decided traders. Okay, so let us save this sheet. Now what we have to do traders is to wait for our target or a stop loss to get triggered, and I also know that there is very few chance that our stop loss will get hit. Okay traders, so now we will just wait till 1:30 p.m. for our target or stop loss get triggered. If it doesn't get triggered, then also we will exit our trade at 1:30 p.m. So now we will look our position at 1:30 p.m. So now I am pausing the video, and I will update you after some time. Okay traders, so traders, it's now 11:06 a.m. and I want to do some changes or want to add some more quantities. As you can see here, the 22,500 call has given a high of 20. It has survived our stop loss, there is no problem, but I want to sell these quantities more. 22,500, as you can see, it is now trading with 4.45 price, and it's good price to sell. Okay, as you already know, we sell these option with only 1.7 points, so we are not getting some good profit, so I'm adding more quantities. Okay traders, so here we will add 25 quantities more of 22,500 call with selling price of, let's take our order, it is now trading with 4.25. Okay, so we will place our order with 4.25, and our target will be same 0.55 with a stop loss of 22. So we haven't placed our order, and as you can see, it is trading with 4.25, so our order has been executed. Okay traders, so this was the small change which I want to add on this. So after this we will gain some a good profit. Okay traders, so now I am again pausing the video and I will update you when it will become zero or hit our target. Okay traders.